Utility van ba ang hanap mo? Let's check out the Isuzu QLR Flexi Truck. I'm here at Centro Manufacturing Corporation, Maguyam, Cavite plant. We are an ISO certified company and an authorized truck body builder of Isuzu Philippines. Ang Isuzu QLR ay may modernong back-shape exterior design. Mayroon itong 4JH1 TC Blue power diesel engine at 5-speed manual transmission. Sa loob, maluwag ang cabin para sa 3 tao at may built-in entertainment system. Gawang Centro ang flexi truck body kaya hindi papahuli sa tibay. Machine press at CNC laser cut ang materyales na ginamit kaya pulido at eksakto ang sukat. Ginamitan ng jigs and fixtures habang ina-assemble. Oven bake ang painting process kaya smooth at kapit na kapit ang pintura. Malakas ang proteksyon sa kalawang dahil dinaan sa metal treatment process. Lastly, water leak tested ang bawat unit up to 30 PSI. For inquiries and more information, call or visit your preferred Isuzu dealerships near you. And if you like this video, give us a like and follow for more. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!